A very warm good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our online computer class. So, we were doing chapter 1, computer memory. As you all know that already we have covered up many topics. Like I have already discussed with you all how computer work by following the IPU cycle. I for input, P for process, O for output. We have discussed about the memory, like the way we store all our memories, information in our brain. Similarly, computer also required to store all its data and information in devices, and that devices is known as storage devices. Computer does not understand any other language. Computer understand only one language, that is the language of bytes, right? I have discussed about the measuring unit also, like 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Okay, and what are the type of memory? Primary memory, secondary memory, that I have discussed, and also I've discussed about their like types of primary memory and secondary memory I have discussed. Today I will going to discuss about the differences. What is the difference between the primary memory and the secondary memory of a computer? Okay, so you can see already I have written in the copy primary memory. Primary memory is known as internal memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory. Secondary memory is known as external memory, or we can say the backup memory. Now why it is saying internal memory? क्यों कहा गया internal memory? क्योंकि primary memory itself exists in the inbuilt of the computer, whereas secondary memory we used to insert like outside. From outside we used to insert इन द कंप्यूटर. लाइक जो पेन ड्राइव होते हैं वो बाहर है, उसके बाद हम सीपीयू में इंसर्ट करते हैं, फिर हम उस पर काम करते हैं, तो डैट इज़ एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी. लेकिन इंटरनल है, रैम और रोम बाहर नहीं है, वो कंप्यूटर के इनबिल्ट में प्रेजेंट है, मदरबोर्ड में है. ठीक है, इसलिए इसे इंटरनल कहा गया है, सेकेंडरी को एक्सटर्नल कहा गया है. प्राइमरी मेमोरी इज़ टेम्परेरी, सेकेंडरी मेमोरी इज़ परमानेंट. प्राइमरी मेमोरी में आप कुछ भी स्टोर करते हो, इट इज़ नॉट फिक्स, इट इज़ टेम्परेरी. Okay, and secondary memory is permanent. So primary memory is temporary. Why it is temporary? Because if you are doing some work, and I have told you all earlier also कि अगर लाइट चली जाती है तो कुछ भी आप काम कर रहे थे वो डिलीट हो जाएगा. और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में एक बार आपने स्टोर कर दिया, once you have stored, until and unless if you will not going to delete it, it will remain as it is. Even after 2 years, 3 years, if you will going to see, if you will going to check in the secondary memory, you will going to get it. But in the primary memory, it is not possible. Okay, it has fast access time, it has slow access time. Now primary memory की एक पॉजिटिव बात क्या है कि बहुत जल्दी काम करता है. It access time is very fast. Why it is fast? Because it is internal, it is present already in the computer. And whereas secondary memory take little bit time as compared to primary memory, because it is external, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है उसे, ठीक है, काम करने में. It is smallest in size. जो प्राइमरी मेमोरी की जो कैपेबिलिटी लाइक कैपेसिटी है वो बहुत कम होती है, whereas in the secondary memory you will going to see the capacity of the secondary memory is huge. Okay, बहुत कुछ many thing you can keep in the secondary memory, your data, your report, your images, your video, your files, many thing you can keep in the secondary memory because size बहुत huge है, आप आराम से बहुत सारी चीज़ें रख सकते हैं. But in primary memory it is not possible. It is more expensive. Now here I would like to say something. प्राइमरी मेमोरी में अगर रैम और रोम में कुछ भी अगर बिगड़ जाता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द मदरबोर्ड, और आपको एक्सचेंज करना पड़े या दोबारा नया लेना पड़े तो बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा पड़ जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये इनबिल्ट में प्रेजेंट है. और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी जैसे पेन ड्राइव, CD, DVD, ये तो बहुत चीप होते, बहुत आराम से आपको मिल जाते हैं मार्केट में, और बहुत कम रेंज में आप परचेज़ कर सकते हैं, है कि नहीं, अफोर्डेबल है. पेन ड्राइव आपको 200, 400, 300 में आराम से मिल जाएगा। डेटा कार्ड, CD DVD तो अभी आज के डेट में 10 रुपीज़ में मिल जाता है। तो यू कैन सी इट कि किस तरह से प्राइमरी मेमोरी सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में कितना डिफरेंस है। एग्जाम्पल, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस विथ यू ऑल, रैम एंड रोम, एंड एग्जाम्पल्स जो सेकेंडरी मेमोरी के वो बहुत सारे हैं। प्राइमरी मेमोरी के सिर्फ 2 हैं, बट सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में you can see lots of example is there: pen drive, Blu-ray disc, data card, CD, hard disk, etc. So this much for today, children. You were going to note down in your classwork copy of computer the difference, because this question is also there in exercise part. So when I will going to do the exercise part, like what is the difference between primary and secondary memory, we have already done it. So whenever we will going to do the exercise part, we will going to do 1, 3 and 4. Okay, as question number 2 we have done already today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Keep studying.